Yeah, so where is my diagram? Here. Um, where did it go? I think that we can use the diagram from before to show you what has changed, which is here. Yeah, okay. So let's review this. Yeah, let's start with my job. So in my job, everything is again stable, doing just what is needed and nothing more. Um, so far it's been great. I have a weekly one-on-one with my engineering manager, and he's happy about everything. So that is a great spot. Then the first client, this is the one who paid me $50. Then the second one, this was a red and actually became yeah, it ended up bad, but it is finally finished, which is a win. This is the one who left the bad review. Let me show you which one. Upwork, there I am. Where is my profile? Which is quite weird because it is, I mean, if you don't see the number and just scroll to the stars, it looks good. This one, the
Mhm.
4. I don't know if you want to see the whole review,
Yeah,
read it.
please share your screen because I don't see the screen.
Oh, oh, sorry, I thought you were seeing it. Um, Desktop one should be this one. Okay, yeah. Can you see it now? Okay,
Yep.
okay, it's there. Sorry.
Mhm.
Yeah. Let me recap. So yes, here's my job, and as I was saying, it is stable, so that is all good so far. Actually, let me write the date here. So it's Sunday, September 14th. 20. Yes. Okay. Um, so yes, the second one is the one which was in red, but it is actually bad. Um, this was the first and only contract, and this is the one who took my JSS down. This is the review. So yeah, I mean, the number is goodish, but the impact is bad.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah, I'm checking.
mhm.
You noticed you can share your reviews on other platforms, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
it's interesting.
Oh,
So
yeah,
you can share to LinkedIn. It's very good.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So now you know.
Mhm.
Close that one. Let's see.
Yes, this one, well, I'll get to it, but it is the third client. You can read it and I can tell you more about him. Let me go, yeah, there.
Yep.
Um, so those are all of the reviews that I have so far.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and again, I mean, it doesn't look as bad, but yeah, the impact was awful.
See.
Um, yeah, so the first day it went to 62%. Then I got this one and it went up to 71. So I think that two more should be put me in a great spot.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I have talked to some colleagues who actually I am helping, so they might just jump on it. And yeah, let me get back to the diagram.
Mm-hmm.
So this third one is the one who actually I finally finished his project, which has a well, the contract, who is a mess. The project is never finished. Emoji there. And I did a lot of pre-work for him. But again, I think that the review is way more valuable to me at this point. Okay, yeah, okay, I'll leave it as there.
Yep.
And well, he wanted a third contract, but okay, okay, there. But why I cannot change this? I'm trying to write. Let me reload this. Okay, there. Okay, yeah. Third, but he wanted to take it off, off of Upwork. And I agreed to, and actually I got more money, but it was less, a smaller contract. So yeah, I think that he doesn't have a big budget. And actually, this client by accident, no, he has other developers in Pakistan who are cheaper. He's in the States, but some of their one of the developers in his team break up all of what I did, or actually, I set up a server and they lost access to that server because of what his other professional was doing.
Damn.
So he thought that I was fixing something broken, and I talked to him and clarified that it is not. It is like some ongoing maintenance, but it is not because of bad work on my side. Um, so yeah, that is this contract of Upwork. And then there is this fourth client, which again, this second contract is completed. I asked him for a review, and he didn't write one.
Mm,
Um, yeah. Then this fifth client, I don't remember who he is. It's Oh yes, it is not completed. Actually, this he disappeared. Uh, he
oh,
disappeared. He went away. Then this no, this one is the one who went away. Yeah, he disappeared as well. Disappeared. This, this, that. But there is something great. Out of the proposals that I had last week, this one became my seventh client. Um, and this week I onboarded him. He is the one who wants HIPAA, and yeah, we had a really great conversation. He gave me access to all of his systems. I have an email from his company. I have GitHub access, Notion access, AWS access, and so on. Yeah, it was on Friday. So far, it is good. The only bad thing here is that we have a 10-hour limit. Uh, so I will make sure to max out all of them. Yeah, to earn that money.
good.
And out of those, I have not had any feedback. But there is one new client who came, and this is interesting. So again, as you know, things move
Super
quite fast.
fast. Yeah.
So the same day that I got the bad JSS, I closed this client, and also I got a good review.
Mhm.
Um, and the next day, which was on Friday, I sent, and this one is important. Let's Peru government. Yeah, I submitted a proposal. It was weird because um, my general idea is that if a client is Mexican, he probably doesn't have a lot of money. But this one kind of had. Um, and because it was a Mexican one, I sent the proposal in Spanish. Let me show you.
Mm,
Um, and they responded like in 10 minutes. So it was
amazing.
way better. Yeah, they're like, hola, la 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 la. Here
Hmm.
that we are talking about HIPAA. Uh, and let me show you also something where here they are talking about cost estimation, MVP adjustments. They are talking about AI, and this is important one, millions of users. That kind of design is something that I know how to do. Um, I have both the theoretical knowledge and the practical knowledge. So that is something that I am quite sure that I can deliver.
Amazing.
Um, and here they have a PDF. Well, to the job posting here. And this one is interesting because they have, for example, some sort of diagram, but here they have like technical requirements that they are quite similar to what I studied for my for my certification, my solutions architect associate certification. So again, I know how to do this. I know how reasonable or not this is. So it is like an 80% match. And the only thing that was outside of my um, of what I know how to do is this part, the LLM part. What is this? Bedrock and SageMaker. But again, from Friday to Saturday, which is where when we had the call, I was studying everything that I needed. So now I have a better idea of how to at least design these kind of solutions. I now understand the criteria that is better for each use case. Yeah, everything else I know. This is my area of expertise. My um, yeah, something that I know how to deliver. And they wanted to. Well, I actually did send them a proposal. Let me show you the document
Hmm.
and translate it to US dollars. So it is the proposal to send. No, where did it go? This one. Okay, here. So I was thinking of three packages. This one is a simple one, a 1 week deliver. This
Hmm.
is USD 1.1. I aim for $1,000 for a 1 week engagement. Then a second one for something with a bigger scope. That this is 2,000, I think. Let me do the conversion. Yeah, well, almost 3K. Um, then another one in which I committed to deliver an MVP. So yeah, these were the three tiers. What I told them is that they needed to make a decision by today
Hmm.
if they wanted me to deliver on Friday. Otherwise, I won't because yeah, I need to prioritize them and allocate time. So either way, it was a really fun one, and something that I learned and I noticed is that I can also contribute, and I might want to do that experiment to be a fractional CTO uh, for startups. Um, that is something that I kind of noticed while I was building my profile. So, for example, yeah, if we look for cybersecurity, no, not jobs, sorry, talent. Let's see. There are fractional. No, okay, no, it's not here. Where is it? But there is just no. Okay, it is not there. uh, or let's try fractional CTO. Should be there and should be expensive. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, look, this one is from Germany coming up.
Amazing.
Ah,
Yes.
yes. So yeah, again, while I was pitching to them, I noticed that I do have that skills and I am able to collaborate in that on that level to a client. And again, they have not responded, but that is this is this one.
Hmm.
Okay,
Amazing
well,
stuff, my friend. Amazing stuff.
yeah, 3K spending. What else is here? No, this is from last week. Yeah. Um, yes, and that is everything so far. Well, with this contract, I ended up, well, sorry, 1 or 2 days after our call, he was really frustrated with the project. He wanted, no, he sent me a long letter. I can show you you want, but
Yeah,
the main
please
point is
show
that
me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, sure. So yeah, I did some introspection, but where is he? Here. This candor, it's a relief. Communicating outside of work. Permanent. Weird. Okay, this is a message. So yeah, we were like testing everything. At that point, I replicated part of his infrastructure on my own environment. I ended up paying like $40 to have an Amazon seller account. And yeah, this is his message.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Interesting. That's amazing. Okay, scroll down, please.
Yes,
Uh-huh. Good, 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 good. Mm-hmm. You deserve better. Mm-hmm. Okay, scroll down.
yes,
Mm-hmm. Scroll down. Well managed, my friend. Mm-hmm.
yeah. I mean, I wanted to get it concluded because it was taking a lot of time, and yeah, it was like diluting the value of my work.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but yeah, and again, the day right after he concluded the project, so it is about here. Yeah, he just ended the contract, which
Uh,
is a great win.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And how do you feel about that?
I think that I should have maybe like try to better understand the other parts of the project, because again, this was a bridge between Bubble.io and an Amazon API and AWS. So I was focusing only on AWS, and that was well, that was well executed, but the rest was not. And many times I have a lot of confusion about how to um, which APIs I was connecting to. So yeah, it was a mess. Like putting or seeing everything through his perspective, he has reasons to be frustrated. But also something important is that since I don't have full access to his system, we need to have that back and forth. So maybe I could have communicated that better to let him know that it is important, that it will happen, and yeah, if I don't get like full access to his accounts, that will be a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I should have also, because this took like 40 days, and on day 6 or 7 was when he threatened to ask for a refund. But like on day 35, we I also started to notice how big was the scope creep, that delivering of 35 data sets instead of one. And also something that is important is that even while reading to the, or when I went through the documentation, um, even the templates that I was using from the documentation had only like 20 data sets out of the 36 that he expected. So again, it was like a rough ride, but I delivered way more value than he could maybe appreciate. So yeah, I don't know if it was the best, but I would have given a full refund earlier, and I think that that would have been a better play. Um, but yeah, again, I'm learning everything, so it's part of the process. I mean, it's normal and expected to have challenges or problems along the way. So
Yeah.
um, it was not the best outcome, but it was like not so bad. No, nothing. It is not something that I cannot recover from.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's amazing,
So
friend. Good real life, real business lesson, real consultant type of lesson. Let's run the numbers. Um,
yes,
let's do
uh,
let's
you
do
mean
yeah, the numbers of the entire Upwork funnel. I want to
okay?
see all of the cash collected and the cash that you will collect complete
Yeah,
since the beginning. And I'm curious also to review the numbers of this month. But let's do general all time and then this month.
yeah. Okay, it is no. We one report. Where you report financial overview? Oh no, billings and earnings. Lifetime. No, but this is by client. But I want to see all. This is one client. Um, that's all. Okay, no. Let's see. Oh, I absolved him. No, but which one? Let me see. Where? Maybe in contract. Transactions. Okay, here I think all clients, all contracts, like download. Yes. Okay, I will fit this into GPT.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully, copy. No, maybe even the whole file. Yes. So what are the questions that we want to ask?
Yeah.
Oh,
Questions is so revenue, total revenue.
okay. Looking at the file. Okay. What is my total revenue?
Versus,
Um,
okay, well,
mhm.
I just need to know total revenue versus money invested.
Okay, got it. Let's see. And there are $50, no, yeah, $50 or $100 that are outside of Upwork.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, let's see. Okay, yes. Let me zoom on this. Total revenue. Okay, yes and no, because okay, well, so far at this point in time, that is accurate, but yeah, but if let me no, because here this is counting how much I have spent in connects as well, and if we ignore or separate the of spending connects, uh, what are the numbers? Let's see. Yes, but I have a question because I have money that I have not taken out of the equation. Let me just check.
Yeah, just add up
Uh,
all of the money, all of it.
yeah, let's see, current balance, withholding tax contract. Okay, because if we see this, I have this balance, this available balance. Okay. Let me ask. Okay, that one. All contracts.
Mm-hmm.
What's still in Upwork right now? Okay, excluding connects, including connects.
Lifetime profitability, net revenue. Yes. So it is time, my friend, to land bigger deals.
Yes. Yeah, well, actually, those two can change the equation. Well, this one, of course, that is like 140 times 10 times 4. Yeah, this is a monthly retainer, which again, it started this week. I have a few hours that I have not built the client yet. And those for this, for example, can change the thing. But yeah, I need to land bigger projects.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Good
So,
stuff.
do you want to see also the other spreadsheet?
100%.
Okay. Let me show you, and it is fun because where here? Via like tracking. Yeah, no. This is not updated. Okay, this is not correct. Let me find it. Of like, okay, no, I have done those. Let me pull the numbers real quick from Upwork. Where here also. Okay, September 13. Oh no, no, but today's 14. Okay. Oh no, we're good. No, sorry. I thought that today was 16, so I was scared. No, yeah, this is accurate. Yeah, let me just check 13. Verify. No, but yeah, this is accurate. Okay, yes, this is how my month is going so far. Um, Something that I have noticed as well is that despite the JSS, I still get people asking for a consultation. So let me show you what I mean. I have had this person out of the blue contacting me, for example, on Friday, which was a bad day for my JSS. Uh, and I need to follow up with them. Yeah. Okay. Um, then this one, well, this one also contacted me on September 9th. So they are two in a space of a week that are just reaching out. So I think that one action item is to start offering consultations, paid consultations. Uh, and I want to do that experiment as a fractional CTO to
Mm-hmm.
start with a expensive offer, or well, expensive. Well, actually, it is a bargain, but you get my point.
Yeah, I get the point. 100%. Okay. So we need to enable consultations.
Mhm.
Enable.
That's like right now.
Not really. Just have the action step, and then we'll review it on
Okay.
our next 101.
Okay.
So for pricing, what's your intuition telling you?
But I need to charge more. For example, let's go back to Peru. They were planning to have a to use WhatsApp API and to cost like $2,000, but the actual price that I looked into while preparing for the call was like 80,000 US dollars. So just by having a call with me and having my opinion, they are saving a lot of money. Also, they are getting certainty about um, what can be done and how. And also, again, going back to the third client, they were, let me see if I have the forensics. No, well, there was this timeline. So on Wednesday, they were blocked for like 8 hours, 10 hours, or all day. That's correct, all day. Then again, I was busy, but on Thursday, um, they were blocked for like 6 hours. So again, this is blocking 10 people, or I don't know how many people, but
Mm.
their whole business operation was stopped because of someone mistakes, and I was the one to fix it. So yeah, that is expensive, and it was work that I did for free. Uh, and I got the review, but I shouldn't be. Yeah, I think that I should be charging more.
Mhm.
Um, and again, going back to this client, despite the friction that I have had with those, I can see this one is golden. I'm gonna put a star there. um, a star. Yeah, while hearing their business use case and what they are trying to achieve, they need me, and I can see how I can help their whole startup to thrive, either to land more clients, to have more efficient costs, to comply with HIPAA regulations. Um, so yes,
Good stuff.
that is what my intuition says.
Mhm. That is
Um,
amazing. Yeah. So for the next steps, my friend, uh, keeping on sending the proposals consistently, and let's go for the consultation, enable it. And if you can
yeah.
enable it within the next 72 hours, make a school post for us to reveal that everything is set up properly. And I
Mhm.
think that's going to be the focus of this week, plus the consistency in proposals, plus ensuring that we're going to land a bigger client. And obviously, now that you have the retainer, we want to make sure that you can handle the current job with the retainer, with the new upcoming consultations, plus sending proposals consistently. So this is going to be
Yes.
like a new protocol of day to day.
Okay. I just have one question. You said that I need to charge or to get bigger projects. So what should be the bare minimum for me to accept at this point?
Good question. Bare minimum, we should look at $500 bare minimum
Mhm.
for the rest of the month. And for the next month, we should hit at least $1,800 to 1,000.
Okay. That is what I should have in contracts, right? Yeah, okay.
Yes. Yeah, no more $200 gigs.
Yes, okay. Yeah, those are ended up being expensive.
hmm
Okay,
We can
good.
have $100 consultation to $200 consultation and $500 projects.
Okay, got it. Let me write that down. 100 consultation.
hmm
Okay, yeah, I will have it right after the call. I'll share the post and yeah, keep you updated.
We'll review. Jaime, my friend. How you feeling
Yeah,
with all this journey, all this progress?
a lot of ups and downs. Like yeah, one day I am like worried because of the bad review. Then I am happy because I get a good one. Then I am thrilled because some random people contact me. Then I am excited because right before going to the gym, I get this Peru client like uh, wanting to talk with me, and during the call, it was also great. I like it is good for them to appreciate my work, and something that I notice also is that I don't have enough items, or my current portfolio does not reflect what I am able to do. So something, for example, like you probably don't know is that I have worked like for big brands like Ticketmaster, like Nike, Expedia. So yeah, there are areas of opportunity that I can share with them, or I can better
Showcase.
show. Uh, yes, and that I am not doing. Uh, yeah,
So
but yeah, overall, good.
that is another
Good.
another actual step. Write it down.
Yeah, to improve my portfolio.
Yeah, showcase what I am capable of.
Yes, I should be.
And my friend, we're on the way, ups and downs. It is the journey. You're doing just fine. Congrats on the retainer. Congrats on the retainer,
Thanks.
friend. And as always, I'll see you in school. I'll see you in the live calls, and I'll see you in our next one-on-one.
Sure. All right. Thanks.
Ciao, my friends. Ciao, ciao. Bye for now. Cheers.